Hello everyone, welcome back to another coin collecting video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a lot of pennies. So I opened this box and I realized I think a lot of these are just straight, oh no, my background. I think these are actually just all 2019 rolls, at least a majority of them. I'm going to check just in case, better to be safe than sorry. Not sorry, I'm not Canadian, sorry. Sorry. But I will check, definitely. There's a size difference in these. This one's thicker. I don't know why. That's really weird. Okay, so I'm gonna check these. All I'm checking is just for wheat cents. Maybe, well, yeah. So just wheat cents. Well, no, it's definitely a majority of new ones, but there is most definitely not just 2019's in here. So yeah, so pretty much what I'm going to do, how we do this is I kind of just look through all of them really, and then I kind of stop whenever I find something that's good that I want to tell you about. Seriously, these are really good 2019 Ds, but I'm not trying to search for 2019 Ds, so I appreciate it. I appreciate the bank, but seriously, this is like this wasn't even an actual roll, really. Okay, so I feel like most of this video is going to be that. So, yeah, we have a few rolls that are like that. But we may come across something really good here because, I mean, you never know. So I will see you guys whenever I actually find something that's good. So guys, I'm about halfway through and I'm not finding anything. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to return these to the bank. Let me check here with this box, but I think this box is another one of, well, maybe not, I don't know, let me check. I hope I didn't just get two boxes that are just mainly 2019. Oh crap, I did. You gotta be kidding. I will go through them just for the sake of double checking everything, but seriously, I should have checked. That's really annoying. So I'm gonna go through these and hopefully start on a whole nother box. So guys, as I was going through these rolls, because I was like, I'm just gonna go through all of them anyway, and I'm glad I did because I found a wheat cent. If it'll focus on my hand. Right there, see that wheat cent? Now it's only a 1955D, but still, that's still a wheat cent that I would have completely just lost for forever. So what I'm doing, I'm literally just opening all of them, which probably isn't the wisest idea ever, but literally the wheat cent just landed like right on top. I'm not really quite sure how, but I'm just taking it, breaking it open, pouring them all out, and kind of just basically sifting through a little bit, and then I'll sift through whenever I put them all back in the original box, but I'll let you guys know if I find anything else. So I've been using this to open it, not for anything weird. I'm opening up rolls of pennies, right? Why did I just find a dime? I mean, it's only 2000. It's a 2017, but still, I just made like 9 cents. Like, what? That's actually happened to me quite a few times. Whenever I've been roll hunting, I've been like, whenever I was roll hunting nickels, I think it was nickels, I would sometimes find pennies, and that annoyed me because I'm like, I'm losing money here. But I mean, finding a dime, that's pretty weird. Especially whenever it's in a box like this, which I think the other box, I feel like it all went through the like they just added some extra coins to mostly 2019 coins. I feel like these are about half filled 2019s, which is why I'm finding other like older coins, and because in the other one, the oldest coin I found was like a 1960. Here, I actually have it right here. It's a 19. No, that's not it. That's the one I just found. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. It was a 1961D. Was the oldest one I found on the other box. Like, that was the oldest one out of all of it. And I mean, I'm only 6 years prior to that, before that, but it's like, it is a wheat penny, so that is nice. Yeah, this may have not been the best idea to just been opening them, but I didn't know that there'd be like wheat cents and all this other stuff. So yeah, like, there are a lot of at least dirty pennies within this, so that's kind of like hope. Like, normally if it's dirty, it's normally old. You get a few exceptions though, whenever it's like really dirty and you're like, how is that a 2019? It is a 2019. Not quite sure how. And yeah, I know this whole entire video is not centered at all. I didn't expect to actually record any of this. I thought I was going to be like, okay, we're just moving on to another box. But I'm kind of having my eye out for dimes now. That's really weird. But yeah, I'll let you guys know if I find anything else kind of strange. Guys, I found another wheat cent. What year will this be? Another 1952? Is it the exact same? No, it's 1955 was the other one. So this is 1952 wheat penny. I don't know why. I've been finding a lot of the 1952 wheat pennies. But yeah, like I said, like, if I wouldn't have started opening up these, I would have missed out on 2 wheat pennies now. Yes, they're both in the 50s, so they're not going to be like really crazy valuable. But I mean, still, that's 2 wheat pennies that I can either just keep them or try to sell them like in a bulk, like a roll of wheat pennies or something like that I can just put together or something like that. So yeah, I mean, definitely I'd say if you accidentally get a box of these, go through it. Like, don't just take it for granted just because most of them are 2019s or whatever year that box may be, because I just found two wheat cents within these, and I still got about, how many rolls do I have left? Oh, I also found a dime, so I made 9 cents. Because it replaced a penny, so it wouldn't be 10 cents, it'd be 9 cents. But I have about 10, 15 more rolls, and I have my hopes up to find another wheat penny. I don't know, I can't really say relatively soon, because it's like, it just depends on whenever I grab the rolls. But this is definitely not the way to do this, by the way. But I already explained kind of why I'm doing it like this, so it makes sense for this. I never want to have to do this again, though, because this is just really crazy. I just didn't want to spend all this time going through it normally, so I'm just opening all of them up one by one. So just checking the backs as I can see them, kind of making sure, trying to get the wheat cents out if there are any. And you can kind of see I'm just like spreading onto the screen. Yeah, there's a lot more back here. I can't really push them forward, but or else I would. Like, there's a lot of pennies here. Like, a whole box of pennies are just gonna be on my desk like this. Okay, that's 1970. Okay, another dime. So yeah, another dime. This one is 1992. Not really anything, but like, that is just another dime. That's another 9 cents. So I've made 18 cents automatically off this whole entire thing. So I've actually made money off this stupid box of pretty much nothing. 2 wheat pennies and 2 dimes. Like, that's kind of nice. I don't know how. I mean, I guess I can figure. I can imagine how the dimes get in there, but it's like, it is kind of weird that they don't have anything to kind of stop them from being put in. Like, that is a little strange. It's just like, oh yeah, you can find dimes. You can find dimes? What? That isn't... And another wheat cent, guys. Another... What is this? So yeah, another wheat cent. 1953S. Ooh, we got an S, guys. 1953S. That's nice. Here, let me show you guys. So yeah, there is a 1953S wheat penny. Put that over there. We got a few more rolls, like 8 maybe. No, like 9. I completely miscounted that. Another. What in the world, guys? I am finding wheat pennies like crazy in this. what year is it? 1956. We're just gonna make up the whole entire 1950s collection. So yeah, 1950s, 1956 D, wheat penny. So add that to another one. So 1, 2, 3. That's 4, and then two dimes. This is actually becoming a decently good grab. Like, this isn't that terrible as I thought it would be. I'm really glad that I decided to look through, or else this really would have been annoying. I mean, I wouldn't have known about it, but I wouldn't have had these other coins. And somehow I can just keep talking and another wheat cent just like appears out of nowhere. Now it'd be really awkward if no more wheat cents were found. Like, that would just be really weird. Like, oh yeah, he just said this. Oh, now it stops. Like this one maybe? No, that's 1970. It looked like a wheat cent. Oh, it did look like a wheat cent. Come on, I need a dime or a wheat cent because I don't want to stop recording because I'm almost done, and it's just gonna be really awkward. Can I have another? Maybe another something maybe? No. This is just not gonna happen. Did I kind of luck out? Wait, what is that? No. Did I just luck out on all my wheat cents at once? I think I may have, actually. I think that may be all the wheat cents I'm going to find for this. I mean, I have like 4 more rolls, including this one, so maybe not. But I feel like that is the end of the wheat cent for, I guess, this video, because I wasn't going to make this its own video. But since I did find somewhat of a haul, not really a haul, but like a grab, I guess you could consider it that. I mean, I made money automatically, which that rarely happens, but it did happen. So, nice title, probably. I don't even know what the title is yet, but we are down to the second to last roll here. It'd be really nice if we could find a wheat penny right about now, just to kind of spice up the end of this video. If not, totally cool. I still have to put them all back, so maybe we can find one while I'm putting them back. Because there's a very high chance I didn't see it. 1961. Okay, last part. 1967, 1977. No, I think that's it. So now I have to put all of these back in, and I will let you know if I find any more wheat cents or dimes or anything like that. Okay, so I got all of them put back into there. That is a ton of pennies. I think one of these rolls over here still has like half of the... Did I find it? No, I don't know. Maybe it does. Maybe... Oh, no, here it is. Yeah, look. I accidentally threw it over there. And nothing. Okay, so... Yeah. I had a feeling that was still over there. So I think... Yeah, I need to clean all this up. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, which I know it was a bit of a weird one, like it being really, really weird, I'm just gonna, should I? No, I'm gonna just toss it. Yeah, I don't need it. So, yeah, I know it was a weird video, not like the ones I'd actually want to continue to make, but I mean, did find 2 dimes somehow and 4 wheat pennies. That's not that bad, but that was also between 2 boxes. But in the first box, nothing was found. So, yeah, however you want to spin that, if you even can to be good, I don't know. But, I mean, it was a decent box, making 18 cents, just because we found dimes instead of pennies for 2 of them, and then 4 wheat cents. That's not bad, even if they are just in the 50s. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you did enjoy it. Comment below, just random coin stuff, or currency, anything. Just whatever you'd like to comment about, go ahead and comment down below. If you'd like to send me something, just get in contact with me and we can maybe work something out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more of these types of videos and also informational videos about collecting. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day and keep on collecting.